Hi everyone, ang question natin ngayon ay nanggaling sa Civil Service Exam 2023 Community na FB group. So this is a random math problem number 14 ang title na to. So two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. The marks obtained by them are 39 and 30, 41 and 32, 42 and 33, or 43 and 34. Okay, so kung meron nga pala kayong math questions or gusto nyo ng free reviewer, punta lang po kayo sa FB group na aking minamanage, Civil Service Exam / Let Review for Mathematics. Okay, so dito sa files, punta po kayo para makita nyo ang mga free reviewers. Ayan, mga free reviewers natin. Tick nyo lang itong tatlong dot and then download. Kailangan hindi kayo naka-FB Lite para ma-download nyo. Okay, and then sa featured, meron tayong mga Google Forms para makapag-practice kayo at makikita nyo agad ang score nyo. So, nandyan ang mga YouTube link sa last part para pag meron kayong item na hindi tama yung sagot nyo, so pwede nyong makita yung mapanood yung solution. Okay, so balikan na natin ang ating problem. Okay, so ayan. So analyze natin mabuti ang problem. So percentage problem ito. Ayan. Two students. So ayan, may two students appeared at an examination. One of them secured 9 marks. 9 marks more than the other. Okay? So 9 marks more than the other yung isa. So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging score nilang dalawa, yung one student ay X, yung pangalawang student naman, so ito yung first student, yan ang kanyang marks, and then yung second ay magiging X plus 9. Kasi sabi, one of them secured 9 marks more than, so more than the other, so plus 9. So, ito yung second student, okay? And his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So, i-add daw yung kanilang marks. So, we have x plus 9. So, yun yung ito yung magiging equation natin. And his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So, equal daw sa 56% of the sum of their marks. So, ito yung sum ng kanilang marks, i-multiply natin sa 56%. So 56%, that is equal to, in decimal, that is 0.56. Okay? So equal daw to doon sa one of the marks daw. So one of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his mark, so ito yun. Ito yung mark niya. So ang tanong, alin dito sa dalawang ilalagay natin? Itong x or itong x plus 9? Kasi hindi natin alam kung alin dyan sa dalawa. Ang nabanggit lang, one of them, ayan o, one of them secured 9 marks more than the other, and his marks was 56% of the sum of their marks. So ito na yon, 56% of the sum of their marks. Okay, so anong ilalagay natin dito? So pag nalito kayo, edi i-try nyo parehas x and x plus 9. Pero ang ilalagay natin dito ay x plus 9. Bakit x plus 9? Bakit hindi x? Kasi total netong dalawa yon, di ba? X and x plus 9. Andin bang mas malaki dito? Siyempre, mas malaki si x plus 9. 56% ito. 56% daw ng total nila. So, dahil 56%, so, yung mas malaki dapat ang ilalagay natin dito yung mas malaki. Kasi kung itong isa, hindi siya magiging 56%. Mas mababa dapat sa 50% dahil lamang nga ng 9 itong second student. Okay? So, just solve for x na tayo. So, yan ang ating equation. So, itong equation natin, solve for x. So, simplify muna natin itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, we have x plus 9 equals 0.56 times x plus x. So, pwedeng i-add natin yan. So, we have 2x plus 9. Simplify. Distribute 0.56. Distribute 0.56. So, we have x plus 9 equals 0.56 times 2. Doblehin lang natin si 0.56. So, 0.5 ay, yan. So, sige, i-ano na natin. 0.56 times 2 or doblehin na lang natin. Ayan. So, we have 12 So we have 11, carry 1, so 1.12. Okay, so 1.12 plus 0.56 times 9. So 56.56 times 9. So therefore we have 9 times 6. So we have 54. 9 times 5, 45. So we have 50. So 2 decimal places, so 5.04. Okay. Now, nawala yung x dito, may x dito sa harapan nito. So solve for x na tayo, pagsamahin si x, pagsamahin si constant. So etong x mas maliit sa 1.12, so ilipat natin siya dito sa kabila. So wala na ito. Si 5.04, ilipat natin sa kabilang side para ma-isolate natin ang constant at yung may x. So wala na ito. So therefore we have 9 minus 5.04. So that is equal to 9 minus 5. That is 4. May 0.04 pa. So magiging 3.96 is equal to 1.12 minus x. Meron po itong 1 sa harapan. So therefore ang matitira ay 0.12x. Finally, divide both sides by 0.12. Okay, so cancel out. So therefore, the value of x is equal to, so divide lang natin ito. So may decimal. So para mawala ang decimal, move lang ng dalawa ang baba, move ng dalawa ang taas. So therefore, x is equal to 396 divided by 12. So parang eksakto na yung magiging sagot yan. 396 divided by 12. So the answer is 39 divided by 12. We have 3 times 12. We have 36. Subtract. So we have 39 minus 36 is 3. Bring down 6. Okay, 36 divided by 12. Another 3. 36. 0. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 33. And then the other score, so ito na yung sagot natin. So x plus 9. So therefore, yung isang score, 33. 33 plus 9. So the other is 42. So ang marks nila ay 33 and 42, which is letter C. Okay? So that's all. So thank you for watching and I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang aking explanation sa problem na ito. Kung meron kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang dito sa aking channel or sa FB group, sa GC, or i-DM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.